Silence can be louder than any product launch. For the first time in 10 years, GoPro skipped the release of a new Hero camera, and that absence immediately sparked speculation. Many began to question whether the iconic action camera line was losing momentum or quietly approaching its end. The lack of a new model felt unusual for a brand that built its reputation on consistent yearly upgrades and innovation. But the pause does not signal the end of the story. GoPro has made it clear that the Hero Black series is far from finished. According to the company, the decision to skip a release was intentional. Instead of delivering an incremental update, GoPro reportedly chose to invest more time in development to create a more meaningful upgrade. The message is simple: wait now, gain more later. That reassurance has shifted the conversation from concern to anticipation. Even without a new model this year, the GoPro Hero 13 Black continues to stand strong in the market. GoPro believes it remains one of the most advanced and capable action cameras available. With its refined stabilization, reliable performance, and proven durability, the Hero 13 Black still meets the demands of creators, adventurers, and professionals alike. It is not outdated, it is still competitive. However, rumors surrounding the GoPro Hero 14 Black suggest that something much bigger is on the horizon. Reports indicate that GoPro is preparing significant upgrades, particularly under the hood. While the external appearance is expected to stay familiar, the internal transformation could redefine the Hero lineup. The Hero 14 Black will likely retain the classic rugged square design that has become a GoPro signature. A tough, waterproof body paired with front and rear displays is expected to remain. There are whispers of a slightly larger display compared to the Hero 13 Black. A bigger screen would improve usability, especially for framing shots and navigating menus. Yet, some concerns exist about whether increasing screen size could impact durability, a core strength of GoPro cameras. Balancing a larger display with the same rugged reliability will be crucial. The real evolution appears to be happening inside the camera. Since the GoPro Hero 10 Black, GoPro has maintained 5.3K video resolution without making a major leap forward. While image quality improved in processing and color science, the resolution ceiling stayed the same. That could change dramatically with the Hero 14 Black. Rumors suggest it may introduce 8K video recording at up to 30 frames per second. If true, this would mark the biggest resolution jump in years. In addition, 6K recording at up to 120 frames per second could offer creators a powerful blend of high detail and smooth slow motion. Another long-awaited upgrade could finally arrive: a 1-inch sensor. This has been one of the most requested features from the GoPro community. A larger sensor would allow more light to enter the camera, significantly improving low-light performance. Night scenes, indoor footage, and challenging lighting environments could look cleaner, sharper, and more dynamic. For action cameras, which are often used in unpredictable conditions, this would be a major breakthrough. To power these advancements, GoPro is expected to introduce a new GP3 processor. A more efficient chip would be essential to handle 8K recording and a larger sensor. The GP3 processor is rumored to deliver improved power efficiency and reduced overheating, addressing one of the most common concerns with high-resolution action cameras. Combined with a possible new internal metal structure designed for better heat dissipation, the Hero 14 Black could record longer without thermal limitations. Stabilization is also expected to advance with HyperSmooth 7.0. GoPro's stabilization technology has long been a standout feature, and the next version reportedly integrates AI-based framing. This would allow smarter adjustments in real time, producing smoother footage while intelligently keeping subjects centered. For creators capturing fast-paced action, this upgrade could make a noticeable difference. Battery performance may see improvement as well. The Hero 14 Black is rumored to deliver up to 2.5 hours of 4K recording on a single charge. If accurate, that would represent a meaningful step forward in endurance, especially for travelers and long recording sessions. Traditionally, GoPro launches new Hero models in September, and the Hero 14 Black is expected to follow that pattern. Until then, the Hero 13 Black remains a strong and reliable option, offering excellent value and proven performance. The real question now is timing. Should buyers wait for the potential leap forward or choose the dependable Hero 13 Black today? The answer depends on how important features like 8K, a 1-inch sensor, and improved battery life are to your workflow. The pause may have felt uncertain, but it may also signal something bigger. If the rumors hold true, the next chapter of GoPro could be one of its most significant yet.
The newly surfaced Quick Start Guide for the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Creator Combo does not confirm any official water resistance rating. Although the guide highlights a micro SD card slot with a protective cover, this alone does not guarantee waterproofing. A covered slot may help protect against dust or light splashes, but true water resistance would require proper internal sealing across all vulnerable areas. Buttons, the USB-C port, speaker openings, and especially the rotating touchscreen hinge would all need advanced sealing to achieve an official IP rating. The mechanical design of the rotatable screen makes full waterproofing technically challenging without a major internal redesign. Based on the visible information in the guide, improved durability appears more likely than complete water resistance. As of now, no confirmed IP rating is mentioned, and water resistance remains unverified until DJI makes an official statement. In terms of pricing, the Creator Combo is widely predicted to launch at around $669. This expected price positions it slightly above the previous generation, while reflecting incremental upgrades rather than a dramatic redesign. Considering DJI's pricing strategy with earlier models, this estimate seems reasonable. The Creator Combo branding also suggests bundled accessories tailored for content creators, which may justify the higher expected price point. Final confirmation of pricing should arrive closer to launch. The full Quick Start Guide has now appeared publicly, and its release does not come as a major surprise. Earlier hands-on leaks and retail packaging images had already hinted that the launch timeline was progressing smoothly. The expected announcement date is March 26th, and the appearance of official documentation strongly suggests that DJI is moving according to schedule. When manuals begin to surface, it usually indicates that final specifications and marketing materials are nearly ready. Early promotional content often follows once documentation becomes finalized. The cover clearly identifies the product as the Osmo Pocket 4 Quick Start Guide Creator Combo. Inside, the layout looks standard and familiar. The diagram shows the camera module positioned at the top, maintaining the signature compact gimbal design. A rotatable touchscreen serves as the main interface, continuing the practical flip screen design introduced in the previous generation. The internal structure and overall arrangement feel very similar to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, making the device instantly recognizable to existing users. The guide confirms several physical components. A dedicated zoom button is now included, offering more direct control over framing. A status LED is visible, along with the 5D joystick for navigation. The shutter and record button remain part of the layout, and a USB-C port is listed among the physical features. There is also a clearly labeled customizable shortcut button, described as press and hold to customize functions. While customization options existed before, the stronger emphasis in this guide suggests DJI is improving shortcut access and allowing faster switching between shooting modes. Overall, the Quick Start Guide does not reveal any groundbreaking surprises. Instead, it reinforces previously leaked details and confirms that the Osmo Pocket 4 maintains a familiar design with small but practical refinements. The appearance of official documentation signals that the launch process is entering its final phase. With March 26th approaching, clearer confirmations about specifications, pricing, and potential additional features are expected soon.